Hey everyone, my name is Ty and welcome to the channel. You know, there's lots of options out there for luggage for your Harley Davidson motorcycle. And I would say specifically most of them are probably geared towards the touring line of Harley Davidsons. But what if you have a Softail like me? What if you have a Low Rider ST? What other options do you have? Well, there's a few. You could put a tour pack on your motorcycle. You could also stack up luggage, put a sissy bar on there, stack up luggage, tie everything down, that type of thing. But is there another option? Maybe. I would even say there is a better option. Let's check it out now. For your consideration, the RikRack luggage system for your Harley Davidson Softail. Now, as I previously mentioned, they already have this for the touring models. I mean, I'm actually a paying customer of RikRack. I bought the touring model luggage kit sometime last year, did a video on it, which is why it made perfect sense for me to partner with RikRack when it comes to the Harley Davidson Softail and this same luggage system. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be going over the setup, installation, and real-world application of what it's like owning this, installing it, and setting it up on your motorcycle. Now, one of the very first things you're going to need before you can really even get started with this is to make sure you have the right docking hardware. So let's take this saddlebag off and make sure that you have what I've got. All right, now that that saddlebag is off, let's get a closer look. So this is the docking hardware that you are going to need. You're going to need this configuration, this setup, so that you can have your saddlebag on here along with the sissy bar that is going to attach. Now, if you don't have this docking hardware, this is what it looks like in the bag, but you are going to need this before you can proceed any further. So check RikRack's website for instructions and fitment. But yeah, you're going to need this docking hardware, but you can get it from their website. You can also buy it from Harley Davidson as well. Okay, step one was the docking hardware. Everybody have that on their motorcycle. We're all set there. Excellent. Step number two, you are going to need this detachable sissy bar backrest luggage rack combo here. If you want to, you can buy this on RikRack's website. The cost is $299.95. And then just a couple of things I think that you need to be aware of if you do that. Number one, you have to assemble this. It's not a huge deal, especially if you're familiar with tools. It's not a big deal. One of the things that I noticed is that in the packaging itself, there were not any instructions at all on attaching the luggage rack to the sissy bar. So again, more of an inconvenience, but I had to look up some pictures just to make sure I was putting everything together the proper way. The packaging does have in there to be sure to use blue Loctite. They make that very, very obvious. But just so you know, going into it. Now, even though RikRack sells this that attaches to your Harley Davidson Softail, on their website, they're also saying that the Harley Davidson Holdfast luggage rack is compatible with this, as is the Amazon Holdfast luggage rack. I'll see if I can find those links and drop them down below, but we'll see. So, just a little tidbit of information that you need to know if you want to go this route and shop for this on RikRack's website. Let's keep going. Let's proceed. Well, once you get the luggage rack put together, obviously the next step is going to be attaching it to the motorcycle. Let's do that now. So once you get those first two mounting points up front, then the ones on the back of the bike, you just want to lock those in. And make sure that you pull these connectors out and lock them in place so that that luggage rack is not going to go anywhere. It's on there super sturdy now. It is not gonna budge. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, let's get this bag on that motorcycle and see what we really think. Now, if you've never seen this before, I want to show you just exactly how easy it is. You can see right here on the bag, you've got the mounting points, 1 and 2. They are going to mount on the luggage rack about right here. And then if we turn this bag over, you're going to see two other mounting points as well. There's one there and one there. So those are going to mount right here and then clamp in place. It's going to keep this bag from barely moving. Safe and secure on the motorcycle. Let's get it installed on there. Now maybe you can see here and here, those are docked and set on the luggage rack. And then if we go back around to this side, underneath, you're gonna see these two clamps. You just tighten these guys up. And I am telling you, this thing is not going anywhere. And while we're here, don't forget to use the RikRack lock just for a little bit of extra security. All right, let's take a look inside the luggage so you guys can get a feel of how much space you need and if this product is right for you. Here we go. We're gonna flip open the lid. One of the first things you're gonna find in here is your rain cover from RikRack. It's just a matter of time before you need that. I typically travel, if I'm going on a long distance trip, with this on anyway. It keeps everything nice and dry. Inside, you can see you've got plenty of space. For me, I just travel with one person. I always have more than enough room. You've got a cargo net on this side as well, on the right and the left. And up here, up top, you've got one as well for anything you need to store. One of the other features that I really love about this is the ability of the bag to expand. So if something happens and you do need additional room, that zipper, you can move that one, and then you can see the bag does have the ability to expand and pop up right there. So just a ton of storage space, and it works really well. Now, for the best feature of this is going to be a little sloppy, I apologize, but let's take a look at that. And just with a few quick turns right here, put this bag on its wheels, and then, I don't know if you guys can see that, there's a compartment right here. You unzip, the handle pops up, and you take this wherever you want to go. So I love that the bag is on wheels. You can take it wherever you want. You get to your destination, you unhook it, and you take it with you. It makes it so incredibly convenient. Great product from RikRack, it really is. So what is the total all-in price for this kit? If you get the sissy bar with the luggage rack, that's included, the docking hardware is included in that. And if you get the rolling suitcase here, you're looking at $789.90. And while I understand that is a significant investment, that is not lost on me. RikRack wants to help you out by offering a 10% discount for this kit along with other RikRack products on their website. Now that discount code is going to be RRTY10. I'll have that information and a link down in the description below for you. One of the other things that's very important to me if I'm going to partner with any company as a consumer or any other special project, and that's going to be customer service. The customer service with RikRack is outstanding. These are great people, very supportive and very responsive. So I feel confident and comfortable recommending this product to you. Well, I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. If it is, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think about this product if you have one or if you're thinking about it. Any questions that I can help you answer, I'd be glad to. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.